When you receive your Wedgiez grips, identify the grip that says right, place that on the right hand. The strap should go directly over your wrist bone. And then you're going to pull it so it feels snug, but not too tight. It should be able to rotate around like so. Apply the other Wedgiez grip. Your grips can be used in two different ways. The first way is like a glove, where the grips wrap around the barbell. And that's going to protect your hands from calluses and give you a little bit extra grip. Or it can be used like a strap, where the barbell goes inside of your grip and you grab onto the grip, so it can be used like a strap to reduce forearm fatigue. Pull it nice and tight, and then perform your deadlifting movements. This can also be used for dumbbells, kettlebells, and any type of barbell. If you have any questions, comment below or reach out to SquatWedgiez@gmail.com.